When it comes to getting hot water to guests, our goal for the customer's sake is to provide a hot water experience that will last as long as the customer wants. What we found out through Rinnai is that their build and their product and their standards are more than commercial. And for example, this hotel that's now almost 7 years old, we've never had an issue with any one of our tankless packs. And but with the end goal always being that the customer is going to need a hot shower, and we got to be able to deliver that. And we have to deliver that as long as the customer wants it. And so for us, the tankless is the only way to go in a hotel setting, because you got customers at different times of the day taking showers at different demand peaks, and a tankless system is always on demand, and we don't have to heat up a several 100-gallon tank, a storage tank, to achieve those needs. That's what a tankless system, in my opinion, does. And Rinnai's product offering for hospitality and commercial buildings is well suited for that.